So for the question number 2 guys, we have the problem na which is if John is 18 years old and Sam, the sum of their age is 66, then what is the age of Sam and Joanne? So before we proceed guys, gaya ng ginawa natin sa question number 1, bago tayo magsimula is i-translate po natin ito mathematical sentence para hindi po tayo malito. So we have if Joanne is 18 years old than Sam, so which means si Joanne is mas bata po kay Sam, and then si Sam po which is ungiven po yung age niya. So yan po yung hahanapan natin, and then isusulat po natin which is si Sam magiging represent bilang X, and then si Joanne is 18 years old. Joanne equals 18, or lagay po natin dito X minus 18. Paano po naging X minus 18? So bali ito po yun guys, kung ano po yung magiging age ni Sam, i-minus po siya natin sa 18 dahil mas bata po si Joanne kisa kay Sam. So yan po yun. And then we have the sum of their age is 66. Ang sum natin is 66. Bale if sa huli nating step guys, pag i-add natin yung age nilang dalawa ay magiging the same po or magiging equals po sa 66. So then what is the age of Sam and Joanne? So we have the equation na X minus 18. Yan po yun. Yan po yung hinahanapin natin. So to proceed, we have simplify po natin or isulat po natin dito. So X which is Sam plus, then we have Joanna which is X minus 18 is equals to 66 na sum. Ito po yun guys. So to proceed, simplify po natin. X plus X is equals to 2X, and then copy lang po ulit, copy. So para ma-cancel po natin tong 18 guys, which is i-add po natin dyan ang 18, add po natin ang both sides ng 18. So magiging 2x minus 18 plus 18 is equals to 2x na lang po yung matitira, then 66 plus 18 is equals to 84. So may common factor siya na po. Bale ito po yung kalabasan niya, 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1 or x na lang po. So 84 divided by 2 is equals to 42. So we have x is equals to 42, and then susunod pa natin gagawin is i-minus po natin yung age ni Sam kay Joanne para makuha po natin yung age ni Sam. So we have 42 na which is X, which is yung age po ni Sam is 42 minus sa age ni Joanne 18. So ang sagot po natin which is 42 minus 18 para 3, 12 minus 1 equals 4, 14. I mean 24 pala guys, mali, sorry. So yan po yung final answer natin guys. So to final check, 42 plus 24 is equals to 66, and yan po yung final answer natin for question number 2. So meron po akong ipapasagot sa inyo guys na question number 3. Just comment down your answer below guys na step by step. Then if may suggestions guys or corrections, just PM me guys so that I can improve my solving skills. Maraming salamat po.